Firstly, apologies for radio silence over the last little while on social media and YouTube. Greg's lovely mum passed away. We were lucky enough to spend the last couple of weeks with her. Technically, we were still caravanning, we were just on their front burn. Even though it was such a sad time, it was a great celebration of their life. We got to see all our family, 5 of our children were there and our grandson, Mission, and Greg's mum would have absolutely loved it. Now back to our video. So we're over a month behind, because obvious reasons. So this video today is a few walks and bike rides that we did in Arrowtown. We've got quite a few more to do. We're actually down the Sounds at the moment, having a well-earned break, and we are going to try and catch up on all our videos while we're down here. Cool, enjoy!
Hey Sandy, you could do a jump here, no strings attached.
So where are we, Greg?
We're doing the Queenstown Trail. We're sort of, I think they call this the Gibson Valley.
Yeah, so Arrowtown to Gibson, so yeah, pretty awesome spot. Look at that. Just, we're that hot right now. It's a beautiful sunny day. I just want to go and jump in that water, really.
Yeah.
It's free. I bet it's freezing. Cool. Just past AJ Hackett Bungee.
Yep.
Greg wanted me to go for a bungee jump, no strings attached, but I declined on that one. But we'll have a look on our way back to see if there's anyone jumping.
It's AJ Hackett, and we are the only customers in here, which is a little bit frightening for an operation this size. Arrowtown Junction pop. A couple of people here today. Nice little spot actually. They have chickens. Yeah, there's 3 of them. And yeah, good, lovely hosts. Beautiful spot. Looks like 12 kilometres away from Queenstown. So just a short little skip in there, 12 or 14 or something. We went for a ride on our e-bikes yesterday, and here we go, we're just charging them up again today. Okay, today's little expedition, we are, where are we going, Sands?
Just at Arrowtown at Lake Hayes, and we're going for a walk around the lake.
Yeah.
Holly with us?
Yes, there's the Holly dog.
Friendly, so that's all good.
That is good. Righto. Obviously, we'll take lots of photos because that's
What we do.
yeah, well, that's what Sandy wants. You know?
Okay.
Okay, right.
You always do what I want.
I always do what you want, darling. So
Well, you wear this hat and I wear my hat that you've got on.
we've been married 20 something years, and that's the secret to a long marriage.
What?
Do whatever you want.
Wearing my hat. Oh.
Oh, rope lever. Look.
Oh, God.
Yeah. You want to have a go?
Why not?
It's got a little stand there and everything. Wow. That looks next level. Halfway around Lake Hayes.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, lovely
It's
little
not
spot.
quite as flat as we're led to believe. A couple
No.
of decent sized hills, but we
No.
managed those.
Yep.
Usually have seats at the top, so that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
No bars though.
No,
No, a bit disappointed there, but
Yeah.
oh.
Yeah. But yeah, lovely little spot. Surreal. Hello, Holly dog. Oh, this is not a bad. This is definitely not a bad track. Look at that little view, would you? Very, very nice. Hey, Sandy, where are we?
We are on the Arrowtown River Trail.
Yeah. Do you know what this bridge is called?
No.
The Knights Family Bridge.
The Knights Family Bridge?
Yeah, so I think I just want to thank Nikki and Dave for putting the bridge here.
Yeah, thanks, guys. Otherwise, we'd have to swim through the water.
It is really steep down there. Look at that. That would take ages.
Thanks for the bridge, guys.
Thanks for the bridge.
We've just biked into Arrowtown from our Parkover property, 7 k's each way, and we are just enjoying a nice beer, and we've got some chips coming. Perfect.